So in this video, we'll talk about the second elasticity, and it is called income elasticity. So we want to know if our income change, how will affect our demand for certain goods. So we call it income elasticity. As we go to learn more and more elasticity, you will find the common characteristic, the common thing in your formula to calculating the elasticity. That is, the numerator always be the percentage change of the quantity, and the denominator will change based on the different elasticity. So since this one is called income elasticity, so your denominator is the percentage change of the income. So again, when you calculate the percentage change, we use the average value as the denominator. So the percentage change of the quantity equal to the final quantity minus the initial quantity divided by the average Q1 plus Q2 divided by 2 parentheses times 100%, and the percentage of change of income equal to the final income minus initial income divided by the average income Q1 plus I1 plus I2 divided by 2 parentheses times 100%. So for income elasticity, sign is very important. So in that case, you always need to remember you use the final value minus the initial value. Don't inverse it. Always use the final value minus the initial value. So now let's look at example. So when the income increase, for instance, your initial income is $299. So the initial income is $299 per week. So unfortunately, we experienced the economic recession, and your company reduced your weekly income to $199 per week. And now the demand, when your income decreased from $299 per week to $199 per week, your demand for ramen noodle increased from 1,000 bags to 2,000 bags a week. So decrease your income, increase your demand for the ramen noodle. It's reasonable, right? Because they are cheap. You cannot afford the money in Red Lobster. You naturally increase your demand on other relatively inferior goods. So now let's calculate the income elasticity. First, let's look at the numerator for the income elasticity. It's the percentage change of the quantity. So it's equal to the final quantity minus initial quantity divided by the average quantity change times 100%. And you can plug in data. 2,000 minus 1,000 divided by 2,000 plus 1,000 divided by 2. So this is average times 100%. And if you have the calculator, you will get what? You will get 66.7%. So that is the demand change. How about the income change? So your income change from your final income minus initial income divided by the average income divided by 2 and the times 100%, and plug in the data. So your final income is $199 minus $299 divided by the average income 199 plus 299 divided by 2 parentheses times 100%, and you will get negative 42 40.2%. So your income decreased 40.2%. Now you can plug in the data. So the income elasticity equal to the percentage change of the quantity divided by the percentage of income, and you will get 66.7% divided by negative 40.2%, and you will get negative 1.7, which is more than 0. So, for the last video of this week, you will see how can you use the income elasticity to decide the type of the goods.